Hi, in this video I will show you how to check if iPhone is original or fake. So you have in here this document that can help us with that. First things first, you can change the serial number or you can check the serial number on Apple's website. This because original iPhone has serial number that is valid, while fake iPhone, the serial number doesn't exist in Apple's database. So go over to your settings, general and about, and find your serial number right here. Visit the Apple's visual check page and enter in here your serial number and answer the CAPTCHA. And if it's valid, that means the iPhone is genuine. You can also check the email number because original iPhone has email that matches Apple's database. You can just dial asterisk hashtag 06 hashtag and the email will appear. You can also check the SIM tray and then the email should match. You can verify it at email.info. You can also inspect the build quality and if it feels premium, solid buttons, and proper handling. So Apple logo should have a separate glossy piece, and fake iPhones often have loosey buttons. So you can also check the iOS software. This because iPhone runs iOS and fake iPhone runs Android disguised as iOS. You can open App Store. Fake iPhones may open Google Play Store instead. So you can also go to the settings and then in here you can see your iOS version. You can try using Siri because fake iPhones don't have that. You can also test Apple services like iCloud or Face ID if they have that particular service, and if they have that, that means that iPhone is original. So that's all there is today, and I hope this video helped you out.